Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's a very special video because we have finally finished the new part for the VB chassis, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Here it is, the S-Style color match replacement side skirts are finally here after a year of development. These are pretty much plug and play. You remove the OEM side skirts, which we're gonna do on our friend's car, Adrian. By the way, this is Adrian, guys. If you haven't seen, you've seen Adrian's car many times in our channel, but we haven't seen him in quite 3 months. So these S-Style side skirts are full replacements. These are not only replacements, but they come with a custom slit right here. So this is a replacement part that you can add on. So you can be either gloss black or color match, depending what you want. But I think with the black and the color match, it looks way more aggressive, way more unique. Hey, how's it going? You have an appointment today? Yeah. What time? 1 o'clock? Okay. I'll just grab your keys real quick. Yeah, as we're ready for install, customer pulled up in a VB, ready for a SCL wing. Shout out to Adrian, we just hired him part-time to do some translation for us. Customer's here for V3 wing, so today's actually a busy day. We have another red VB here who got side swipe, but they're getting fender flares and an STI wing. So anyways, back to the side skirts, guys. So like I said, these are full replacements. In the future, I know people's gonna be asking if there's gonna be a carbon option for this piece, but we'll see in the future. We'll see how it goes. Pre-order is officially live in the link below. Everything is set, ready to go. These are priced at $9.99 with free shipping. FYI, just to ship these alone, it's like 260 bucks, no joke. So these are very unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. So today, we're gonna install it on Adrian's car. Adrian currently has the stock side skirts with the V7 side skirt extensions, as you can see on the side. You can also slap these on with extensions and any of the AFD side skirts extensions. But for today's video, we're gonna be only running the side skirts by itself. But as you can see from the stock, guys, it's already, you know, typical cladding, right? And if you take it to a body shop, we charge about 700 or 600 just to do these side skirts. Take it off, sand it, and, you know, install it back. But with these replacements, you can take it over stock and, you know, swap it back and forth whenever you like, which is a cool thing. So let's go ahead, get this inside. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you guys how to install this. It's super easy. Clips on the bottom, we replace all the clips and pop it right back on. So let's get this inside and enjoy the B-rolls. So Adrian's car, he has an underglow. I don't know why, but he's making my life more difficult. So I think Adrian is gonna disconnect it himself, or else when I'm doing it, I might just rip right off. So we'll get this on ramps first, and then I'm very excited. It's gonna look really crazy. To take out the side skirts, it's very straightforward. It's literally all clips, no bolts. There's 2 clips, one right here and one on the inside. For this one, it's a little bit hard to get access to. All I gotta do is turn the wheel, or you can use a really short, stubby Phillips head. You can get in there and turn it out, but even for this one, it's a little bit too long, so I'm gonna need to turn the wheel for that. But everything on the bottom, right under the car, is all these big giant clips like this. You just gotta pop it off all the way through from the front to the back and just pull the whole side skirt off. Because they're gonna be at least, I believe, 8 to 10 clips on the top, but they just come right off, so you don't need to worry about no bolts or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off, and I'm gonna show you guys how to transfer everything over to our new S-Style side skirts, and I'm gonna put it right back. By the way, Adrian's car is lowered on sinus coilovers, wheel specs 18.5 plus 22 offset, CR57s in gloss black. He is gonna run a 265/35, which I told him to, but he said he might rub. I don't think it rub, guys, because Adrian already shaved everything underneath here. All right, guys, I've got all the clips on the bottom off. Next thing you gotta do is open the door on both sides, because if you don't open the door, this is gonna get caught right here. So make sure you open the door front and back. All I gotta do is give it a nice little tuck. It should come right off. Just like that. Now Adrian does have the V7 side skirts under here. If you do have aftermarket side skirt extensions like this one, you're good to go. You don't need to take this off in order to get the side skirt off. Okay, next up, we're gonna get our S-Style side skirts side by side. Okay, as you can see, the width of this is approximately the same, guys. So all we did was make this notch right here and added this black trim inside just to make it look more aggressive. Adrian's car, especially if we have our S-Style fender flares, the gloss black vents is gonna complement the side skirt really well. I know a lot of guys have been asking about this damn side skirts. It's finally here. I'm very excited. I haven't seen this on the car yet, so this is the first piece. On the stock side skirts, you have these clips. Get these clips and transfer it onto the S-Style side skirts. So you go ahead, grab one, and just put it in here. Just like that, put it inside, and you are good to go. After you put these clips in, we're gonna put it back the way we took it off. Transfer all the clips over, And it's useful, or it'll be nice to have someone help you on this part, but if not, it's cool. But I have Adrian here, so Adrian, I'm gonna need your help. Line up the back clip with yours, and I'm just gonna pop it right in. Hold on, let me see. Okay.
It doesn't read.
Let me see. Let me see the side.
I don't want to make that.
Oh, let's go. Oh, like this clip, right? Yeah, you have to shift that out a little bit. And just like that, guys. Well, there it is, guys. We just did one side. I'm gonna do the other side before I show you too much. And then we'll pull it to our photo studio in the area, and then we'll link back in like 5 minutes. All right, guys, here it is, S-style color match replacement side skirts. It looks so good, especially with the color match fenders. The car lower with gloss black wheels. By the way, Adrian curbed me. He said he didn't do it, his dad did it. But anyways, car looking amazing. If you're interested, guys, link in the bottom below for the pre-orders. I believe they will drop early to end of February or March, give or take. So just check the description below. Any questions, guys, make sure to DM us, email us. And like I said, these are the newest products. Also, if you want to add extensions, you can always, add the carbon fiber extension on the bottom, or V1, V2. I think V1 with a flat look will look really good because a V7 or V2 might cover this, the design right here. Since we have these on, we're gonna give away one pair of the color match side skirts to one lucky commenter below. So comment below, Adrian, and just comment Adrian, and then on the next video, we're gonna be giving away one of these S-style side skirts. And by the way, we need to do the giveaway for the diffuser on Danny's car. I'm gonna pick the winner for Danny's rear diffuser. So, all right, Jay, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Oh, shout out to @DCNSN. Congrats, bro. You won a diffuser. You won the diffuser. So I can't even type right now. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested in the S-style side skirts, link in the bottom below. Enjoy these B-rolls, and make sure to follow Adrian if you haven't yet, because yeah, he needs some subs to fix his curb rash. Catch you guys next time. Peace.